Hey everyone, it's Marcus Brownlee here with a special one for you. Raja reached out, said he wanted to share some next-level Samsung tips. The kind of stuff that takes your phone from good to wait, how'd you do that? And trust me, after checking these out, you'll be showing your friends all sorts of tricks. We're talking hidden features, shortcuts you never knew existed, and ways to customize your Samsung to feel like it was made just for you. So, whether you just unboxed your Galaxy or you've been rocking one for years, I guarantee there's something in here you haven't seen before. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about keeping things private. Samsung's secure folder is like a hidden vault on your phone. Ever try using your phone one-handed and almost drop it? Samsung feels you. Bixby Routines are about to automate your life. We're talking setting your phone to do things automatically, based on your habits. Chapter 4, Samsung's Edge panels give you quick access to your favorite apps, tools, and even contacts, all with a simple swipe. Chapter 5. Need 2 WhatsApp accounts? No problem. Samsung's Dual Messenger lets you run 2 instances of the same app simultaneously. Chapter 6. That always-on display is more useful than you think. Samsung lets you customize it with different clocks, colors, even GIFs. Chapter 7. Samsung DeX, your phone, now a desktop. This one's wild. Samsung DeX turns your phone into a full-blown desktop experience. Chapter 8, Clipboard History. Never lose that snippet again. Ever copy something and then accidentally copy something else over it? Frustrating, right? Chapter 9, Call Backgrounds. Spice up your calls. Let's be real, default call screens are boring. Samsung lets you customize your call background with videos or images. Want to show everyone that awesome photo or video on a bigger screen? Smart View is here to the rescue. Ever need to read tiny text but can't quite make it out? Samsung's got you covered with a built-in magnifier. Time to dive into some secret agent stuff. Samsung phones have these things called dialer codes, basically shortcuts to hidden settings and info. Need to hand your phone to someone but don't want them snooping around? Pin windows is the answer. Sharing your Wi-Fi password just got a whole lot easier. No more spelling out long, complicated passwords. Music Share lets you share your Bluetooth speaker or headphones with friends without disconnecting your phone. And there you have it, folks. 15 Samsung tips and tricks that'll have you navigating your phone like a pro. Seriously, some of these features are so good, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech goodness. Big thanks to Raja for teaming up with me on this one. Make sure to check out his channel for more awesome content. Until next time, keep it techie.